The TAF story begins in 1998 with two men. The founder of the brand, Jaroslav Rozboril, and welder Martin Reznicek. Many welds, and 4 years later, they attend their first international exhibition in Rimini, Italy. 1 year on, the men take part in the musical Romeo and Juliet on Ice, but not as spectators. They are the main suppliers of structures that will support all of the scenery. Large projects, such as this one, place great demands on production. So in 2004, the company moves into its own manufacturing facilities, which will later go through 3 separate expansions. With a larger and more effective production area in place, they are faced with their first huge challenge: a roof. But not any roof. It's a massive, unique roof that measures 20 by 14 meters and 12 meters high. A lot of welding was to follow. In 2008, despite the global financial crisis, their staff remained at 62 employees. In 2009, the company's management set their sights overseas and established TAF USA LLC in a rented warehouse in Daytona Beach, Florida. Growth of the brand was accompanied by growth of its product range. A year later, TAF introduces its large, high-capacity GS910 truss on the market, which remains a standard in their portfolio today. Following this launch, the company turns its attention to providing even more service to its customers, spending 3 years developing a 3D program that allows customers to configure an entire building built from TAF products. In 2015, the company launches its largest truss product to date, the TT104, which can be seen today at Soho Gardens in Dubai. In fact, to this day, TAF is the main supplier for structures at Soho Gardens. In that same year, TAF USA buys its own warehouse in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. As time marches on, TAF's references are continuously growing higher and higher and becoming increasingly more important. The impressive growth is due in part to the strong emphasis TAF always puts on safety. 2018 sees the launch of its new double-locking Falcon connection system, which eliminates the need for hammers and pins. A year later, the TAF team stands strong at 120 employees, including the previously mentioned Martin Reznicek, who is now the quality manager and European welding specialist, together with production manager Pavel Zherotinsky, who is an important member of the TAF team with 17 years on the job. "2019 was a landmark year for TAF when a robotic welding machine is integrated into their production process. It is able to produce individual truss segments that meet TAF's high-quality standards. And finally, we arrive in 2023, the 25th anniversary of TAF, a quarter of a century earning the trust of its customers with consistent, on-time delivery of high-quality truss and support structures, together with the design and production of custom and technically demanding projects. Going forward, we will address many topics that include reducing our impact on the environment and providing even higher levels of customer service. One example is our start this year of using Hydro Reduxa 4.0 low-carbon aluminum in the manufacturing of 80% of our products. This special aluminum is sourced from smelters and foundries in Norway, where the production process of this material is closely monitored to ensure reduced energy consumption and carbon emissions. We have also expanded our engineering and design team with experienced professionals who have a proven track record in handling the largest and most challenging projects. After 25 years of success on the global market, we look forward to continuing to keep our promise to customers by providing them with the highest quality products, delivering top levels of service, and ensuring they meet their deadlines. TAF, 25 years strong.